Hi, I'm Aika. Next to me is Aboo Savage, a neuro creator and neuro enthusiast. Now he's going to show how people over 40 can start earning with neural networks without having to get into complicated technologies at all.
Hello. If you're over 40, you probably already feel it. The world is changing and you don't understand what's going on. And inside, there's this thought: if AI becomes the norm, I'll be left without money or without a job.
Okay, then the main question, what are you offering instead of training?
I created a simple thing, a private club called Neuro Freedom. It's basically your pocket AI agency on the Telegram service, essentially right in your pocket. It's a place where you don't have to become an expert. You just take ready made solutions and use them.
Ready-made solutions? Explain it in plain terms.
In plain terms, you join the club via a link, open the topic you need, and everything is already set up there. Instructions on what to click, where to go, and exactly what to do step by step. That's it. You launch the tool from your smartphone or computer. And yes, this is one of those cases where you can literally just lie on your couch at home. You don't have to go anywhere. All you need is a stable internet connection and a phone.
And how much money can you actually make here? But seriously, let's skip the fairy tales about making millions in an hour.
Exactly, no fairy tales. At first, the real amounts are 5 to 10,000 tenge per day. Then, once you understand how it works and start doing it consistently, you can grow to 50,000 tenge a day. This isn't a replacement for your current job right away, but it's a very solid additional income that will come in handy now more than ever.
Why should I trust you? How is your club different from yet another AI channel?
Because I don't sell news or just empty talk. I provide ready to use tools, clear steps, and I regularly add more and more tools so that members don't have to chase trends. They can actually use them.
And how much is this pleasure going to cost? After all, developing such systems isn't cheap. How much do you have to pay to get access to this group?
As of today, the subscription costs 30 euros per month. In just a couple of days, you'll already make back that cost and be able to earn much more than your investment.
And what if someone isn't ready to pay yet?
Then start with the free Neuro Freedom channel. There's a lot of useful content and information about the world of neural networks there. But if you want a ready-made business from your phone, then you need to subscribe to the closed Neuro Freedom Club.
Listen, that sounds very tempting and interesting. Can you share the link to the channel right now? I'm already eager to try earning money with neural networks.
Yes, your viewers can get access to the free channel, and from there, get into the closed club and be among the first to test it out and start earning, while there's practically no competition in this niche, and there's a huge, massive demand.
Abu, thank you for the meeting. I hope this won't be the last one and that you'll show us your neural systems in action. All the best.